Why do you like the chandelier in my closet that you have to live in right now? Nibbles. Nibbles. Quit chewing on the diamonds. Stop it. Stop it. You little chaotic bird. Where are you going? You smacked me in the face. What was all that about? Huh? What was all that about? Nibbles. I'm gonna pick you up. Come here. Where are you? And right back on the chandelier. What are you doing, you crazy bird? Nibbles. Man, this thing's freaking hot. Come here. And you're flying again. Nibbles. Look, bird. I can't even catch you on the camera. Look! You're not supposed to be on my shoulder either. Come here. No. Look. You can go right there. On the shelf. And not knock shit over. You asshole. Come on. Get on the shelf. Get on the shelf. Nibbles. He doesn't listen. This bird is not smart. Don't poop on me, bro. Don't do it. I'm waiting for him to attack the camera. Come on. Get on the shelf. You asshole. No! Get off my chandelier. Come in. Look, you get yourself tangled now. Damn you. Come here. I'm gonna shake you off. Now you're just running into stuff. Damn bird, this is what happens when, like, you try to do stuff. You mess with me entirely. Come here, bird. Yeah, this is the little critter that was acting up in the Duff video. Nibbles. I'm gonna scratch your tail feather. Oh my god. Serious? Come here. I'm just gonna sit here and wait till you land there. Come here. I'm gonna just set you on the blanket. Now, don't run into your cage. Don't run into your cage. Okay, whatever.